Well, good evening. This is Terry, and I'm really excited because tonight we're going to talk about the Crowd Search Me. It's a new program. It's going live tomorrow, and I just think it's if you're doing any kind of SEO, if you're doing any kind of web-based stuff where you're working for clients or you're working for yourself and you want to drive those websites, you want your websites to go up in the search, then you need to take a look at this because this is what's hot right now. Not saying 6 months from now, not saying 6 months ago, but it's what's hot right now. It's what Google wants. So with that said, I've got a little a short PowerPoint thing here I want to show you, and we're going to go over and right here, and we're going to go right here, and I did set up for the reading view. So right here is Crowd Search Me Review, and like I say, it's really a neat program. It's what's hot right now. And so if you talk to anybody, myself or anybody else that's doing any kind of SEO, doing any kind of website promotions and all that, the thing that's hot right now and the thing that Google wants is they want you to optimize your click-through rates. They want to see that click-through rate, and they want to see a lower bounce rate. In other words, they want people to stay on your site, and that's what this program does. This program gives Google exactly what they want. So that's why it's important for you to look for it, because when you give Google what you want, Google looks at your site, Google ranks your site higher, and what more could you possibly ask, except that maybe they write you a check or something like that, and they're not going to do that. But they are going to reward you for doing what they want. It's Google's ball game. Give it to them. What can I tell you? There's no sense fighting City Hall. So what is Crowd Search? Crowd Search is a web-based system, which means you don't have to install it. You don't have to do anything except you enter your URL and you enter the keywords that you want. And then an army of 200,000 users will organically search your site, click on the links, linger on your site. That means they're going to stay there and they're going to spend a while. They're going to spend time there. They're going to look at your site, click on the links, and what's going to happen? You're just going to watch your site rise in the search because that's exactly what Google wants. So how does this platform work? Like I say, you don't need to install anything, no scripts or coding, no test skill needed. You just insert the keywords or the URL, choose the number of searches you want, assign the credits, relax crowd, and I should have had a hyphen there, it's relax. Crowd Search platform is working for you. It's 100% simple and gives you 200,000 people working just for you. And that's what's really neat about it, because these are they're actual people just like you and me, and they're going to go in there and they're going to spend some time on your site, look it around, check it out, check the links out and everything. They're going to do that just like you and I. They're actual people. It's not the robots or any of this other kind of stuff that some people use, but these are actual people. So so the features, what's the features? So Smart Rank technology, it gets you right up there, it gives you what Google wants. Like I said, it improves your search rankings. Man, when Google sees your click-through rate and that bounce rate, people are staying on there, they take advantage of that. I mean, they take advantage. I mean, what they're going to do is they're going to increase your ranking because they want people to be satisfied. They want people to have the best experience they can possibly have when they're searching for stuff. So they're going to reward you for helping them out. Real people doing natural long searches. That's what this is all about. That's real people, just like you and me, are doing those searches for you. And there are not going to be any bounces. I mean, there could be with other people coming on it, but not very many, what I'm saying. And it's 100% Google face, because you're not trying to, well, you maybe are trying to, but you know what I'm saying is it's 100% safe, because there's no way Google can know what you're doing. So web-based system, you enter your URL, enter your keywords, an army of site, click on the links, linger on your site, watch your search. So that's what and I think, right, and improve your smart technology, improve your search ranking, real purchase, and no bounces, 100%. And here's what it is. How do you benefit from it? Come on. If you don't know this one, but I'm going to tell you here, how you get higher rankings. When you get higher rankings, more people see your site, more people buy your product, more people buy your customers' product, more people just are happy. And plus your customer, if you got customers, or you're happier if it's your site that you get more people come to see, or your customers. You got lower or non-existing bounce rates. You got ecstatic customers. Now that's something you don't see very often. But when your customer sites go up in the ranks and start performing like that, customers like that. Man, that's when they get their checkbooks out and they order more products and services like that because they're getting satisfied. Their customers are satisfied, and that's what it's all about. And it's peace of mind. Like I said before, once you set it up, you can sit back and relax and go from there. So that's all the little PowerPoint. Like I said, it's nothing real fancy tonight. I'm just telling you right now that that Search Me, Crowd Search Me is something you need to take a look at. I'm not saying it's going to be forever, because you know how Google changes. I wouldn't trust Google anymore than the man in the moon. But the thing of it is, that's what Google wants right now, and that's what's important is right now. If you're doing SEO, it might not be that way 6 months from now, but we don't know. We're not talking about a bukus of money or anything like that. It's a good, honest price for what you get, and I'm telling you, it'll work for you, and it's going to improve your search. So just owe it to yourself to take a look. Don't take my word. Go take a look and see what everything it can do. So the link is down below there. Just check it out, and we shall see you